Hello guys, this is Fave-Tech Construction Services again, and on today's episode, we are going to be displaying a project that was solely drawn and designed by Fave-Tech Construction Service. Wow, look at the amazing design on the screen, and look at this structure. It comprises of a 3-bedroom, and another apartment again consists of 2-bedroom, and another apartment again consists of a single bedroom. Wow, this is awesome and this is beautiful. What do you think about it? Maybe you comment your thought on this comment section. Let us know what your perspective about this design. Oh my god, this is the rendering process. Oh, I can't wait to see the finished project. Wow, this is one of it. Oh, this is amazing. What do you think about this, guys? What do you think about this? Oh, kudos to Fave-Tech Construction Service. This is awesome. Thank you for joining us today. See you on our next video. Bye.
Hands in hand, we pave the way. Innovation guides our day. From floor to ceiling, stories told. In every structure, truths unfold. Steel and glass, a work of art. We pour our love in every part. Brick by brick and stone by stone. Fave-Tech's magic on its own. We build dreams, we're architects. With heart and soul, no regrets. Crafting wonders one by one. In Fave-Tech, the future spun.